Hey fam, listen, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to just share some things with you. As you know, I'm headed to Lansing, Michigan. You probably saw that on my post. And I had to pull over here to the side of the road because I just had some things on my mind. I get so excited for this time of year because we have such tremendous growth. There's so many of you that are really kicking butt and really making some things happen. I see you guys, on that lifestyle bonus list. I see you guys, on the psycho bonus list. I see you guys getting so close to these different ranks and things like that. And I'm telling you, I couldn't be more excited. I see your new people coming in. I see you guys just really showing the deal and making some things happen and sticking to what you said you were going to do when you first signed up. And I think that's awesome. And I also see some of you that are just kind of struggling. I see some of you that are just kind of become stagnant. You're watching what's happening in the groups. You post here and there, but nothing's really happening for your team. And I know that we have this same time, the same amount of time in a day. Those that are winning and those that are not, we breathe the same air. We put the pants on, one leg at a time. So I just started thinking, what is the difference between those of you that are really winning and making it happen and those of you that are not? And I know it's mindset. And I'm going to tell you this is the absolute time to just go hard. And I mean, go hard, go fast, go after what it is you want. Many of you know, yesterday, I buried my aunt, watched her, go through the funeral and stuff. And she was blessed to live a wonderful life, 90 years. That's a blessing, and here's the thing that I noticed people were saying about my aunt. She was incredibly beautiful. She was just a beautiful woman. And, she, had this assertive personality, and she just was a very independent woman, and you knew where you stood with her. And it was awesome listening to all the amazing things that people were saying about my aunt. I like to think that I got a little bit of that feistiness in me from her. And the thing that I kept thinking when people were saying, oh, she would have been, she should have been a movie star. She should have been a celebrity. She could have been a model. She could have done this. She loved to dance. Everybody that knew her knew that she loved to dance back in the day. And so I was thinking like, wow, I just don't want, when it's my time to go, I want to live a big life. I want to accomplish all the things that I set out to accomplish. I want to accomplish all those goals, all those dreams, and a lot of times we get bogged down in our day-to-day life, and we got to put food on the table. We have kids, those of us that don't have kids, we still got to put food on the table and put a roof over our head. So my point is, let this be the catalyst to your dreams. Let World Ventures be the thing that gets you where you really want to go. Let it just be a vehicle. It's like a freaking Learjet. If you want to get to, Fiji, you can't drive. You got to get in the right vehicle in order to get you there. So let World Ventures be that vehicle for you. I see some of you, I hear some of you are tempted, to go try other things. I've seen some of the things that you're doing, on your public pages and things like that. And, there's no managers here. There's no bosses here. You're certainly free to do whatever you want to do, but I'm going to tell you this, this company is getting ready to hit $1.2 billion, and we're just getting started. Our team in particular has vowed to put in over 70,000 people. We're part of Team Legacy, Randy and Wanda Webb, who are going to put in 500,000 people on their team, and we're definitely going to be a huge part of that. So yeah, the grass may look greener on the other side temporarily, because if you're looking for a quick fix, you're looking for that quick money, then go for it. If that's what floats your boat. But I'm gonna tell you this, the boat that gets floated is the one that's going to be floated by World Ventures, and I'm telling you this not because, I'm a World Ventures advocate. I eat, live, breathe World Ventures, but it's also because I've seen it. I see it happening with people all around the world. And I know that if you put your head down and if you stay focused on one thing, see, I tried many different things in my life, plenty of different things. Here, there, start, stop. But I never gave 200% to any one particular thing in my life, minus my kids, never that. And so I wanted for me to let World Ventures be that one thing because it just made sense. You know, I don't have to convince anybody to do anything. I don't have to sit up there and be this pushy salesman. You know, everybody has a suitcase. It's the largest industry on the planet. You know, everybody's traveling one way or the other. I have family here that came from all around, you know, to attend a funeral. So it's not about me trying to fix somebody's credit. It's not about me trying to, you know, fix somebody's, you know, future finances in terms of, you know, having them get out of debt. It's not about me, you know, selling them lotions and potions and the latest berry juice or anything like that. You know, I'm not knocking those things. You know, there's people that make a lot of money in that, but I wanted to be in something that everybody does and that everybody has, and in something where the people really care about us. And I'm seeing everyday people win every day, not because there's something so special about World Ventures that only, you know, 1 or 2 people get it, but there's something so special about World Ventures that anybody who really wants this can go and make it happen. Because no matter where you go, there you are. And I promise you, if you can't make it in World Ventures, you can't make it anywhere, because it's your mindset is what determines those that win. And when you leave World Ventures and go try something else and go stick your toes in something else, you're still taking your same mindset with you. So be prepared to change your mindset in order to make your life change. And if you're not willing to do that, then I don't have anything else for you, because those that are winning in this, guess what? They've changed their mindset. Those that are winning right there in Arkansas, they've changed their mindset. Those that are winning right here in Michigan, they've changed their mindset. Those that are winning in Wisconsin, they've changed their mindset. Those that are winning in all 50 states have changed their mindset. And in the 28 countries that we're in, those that are winning, those that are hitting the senior rep, the director, that's hitting the marketing directors, the national marketing directors, the RMDs, the IMDs, the double IMDs, those that are hitting those lifestyle bonuses, those that are cycling every week, those that are helping their team cycle and win every week, guess what? They change their mindset. So in order to win in this, go change your mindset and let's go change the world, because in order to do that, we got to start at home first, and everything at home, it permeates throughout the rest of the world. So let's go make it happen, you guys. Peace.